Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating simple causes. Charge the Weebill S above 50% and remove the camera so balancing steps are clean. Once done, power it off and pull the battery for about 10 seconds, then reinsert and restart to clear transient lockups. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and pair with the gimbal in the ZY Play app. This connection is required for the app-driven reset and firmware checks, so don't skip pairing before moving to calibration. Next, use the ZY Play app to perform a controlled reset. Navigate to device settings and check for firmware updates. Install any available update because firmware often fixes instability. After updating, select IMU or gyro calibration and place the gimbal on a level, vibration-free surface. Once calibration starts, stay hands-off until the app confirms completion. Then run the auto-tune or motor strength adjustment so motors learn the payload. This aligns control loops and prevents drift when you resume normal operation. Finish by reinstalling your camera and carefully balancing the Weebill S. Proper balance reduces motor load and improves stability. Then test each axis manually and run a short stabilization check in the app. If problems remain, repeat IMU calibration, unpair and repair the device in ZY Play, or reinstall firmware to ensure no corrupted files. One key troubleshooting tip: watch for motor overload warnings if they appear. Reduce payload weight or secure loose mounts before repeating calibration to avoid repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.